What?
It's the flavor of the, I don't know, it just have a different flavor.
Oh God, guys.
Guys, look on it. This one is flat, and then this one is like really big.
We know which patty Drew I get. Yo, you don't know me, always have to act hype when me do a video, guys. Today, I am extra happy because right now I just drank a Red Bull right now, guys.
My
Daniel
God.
did not know, and I just drank a Red Bull right now. I'm
And you didn't bring something
hyper. Eh?
You didn't bring anything for me?
I apologize. Today, as you see it by the title, you guys love the KFC one, guys. So we are going to do Jamaican patty versus American patty.
Because you know, guys, when your loved ones are coming up from Jamaica, they ask you what you want.
Yeah.
The staples are Jamaican patty.
Yes.
Chad staple is bun.
Bun. Round bun specific.
Round bun.
Yeah.
Cheese bread.
Cheese bread.
Banana chips.
Banana chips.
So, and we got KFCs.
And anything what she said after that, yeah man, I eat that.
So, we have these Jamaican patties, but why not compare them to the ones that we have here?
Yes, which is American patty over here. I'm going to tell you from now, don't bother comment down below about this patty better, that patty better. Hands down, the best patty in America.
No, in Florida.
Let me just say Florida. Let me put it in the caption.
In
South Florida. His taste right.
And you guys know that Taste Right is in Pembroke Pines,
yes,
Sunrise, and
there's another place. There's more Taste Rights out here. But me not lie, you see when pan sat there, the soup them shot. Yeah. Me not lie to you guys. Anyways, but the patty is to die for. And we are going to
sponsored, so it really tastes good.
So Taste Right, if you want to come hit me up, go ahead and come hit me up right now, because you know, slide them a DM. We can talk some numbers and figures. I joke, I chat too much now. What we are going to do, guys, we are going to take the best patty in America, which is, to me, it has to be Taste Right. Comment down below if you think something is better than Taste Right. I don't think so. No. If you guys haven't tried Taste Right, you guys need to try Taste Right.
Yeah, okay, Taste Right
versus juicy beef patty, which we are going to warm up, guys. When that warm up and come off of the oven, may I tell you guys, it is to die for too, brother. So we are gonna find out which one is better. Comment down below which one you think is better right now, guys. Who you think is gonna win? Comment down below right now. Jamaican patty versus American patty. Let's get right into it. We are gonna go there right now and get her patty. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we are back. We look like we're not even leave the house, though. I know it sounds crazy, but we did go, guys, and we got patty seats right there, guys.
But we didn't film it because I just jumped out the car and got it.
Yeah, we literally went in, going for a mission and come back out.
It's a small place. They only do patties, I think, and pastries and some soup.
Yo, you need to try their bread. Their bread.
Cocoa bread is good, but
their cocoa bread. The cocoa bread is to die for.
Blame Chad, we didn't get cocoa bread.
And Daniel messed up, guys. She did not get the D&G soda.
You don't need soda.
Yes, you do need it.
Soda is bad for you.
Okay, yeah, it is bad for you, but it's shot. That or coconut water with it.
Coconut water? Yeah. I should have got that.
That should be flavorful. Alright, guys. What Daniel's going to show you guys right now is the Taste Right patty.
So these are 2 beef.
Yeah. That is 2 beef right there, guys. As you can see, it's full of beef.
Off the record, we had to get lobster patty.
Well, Daniel had to get something off of the record, guys.
This is the only place that does like a decent lobster patty.
Daniel said, oh, let's just get 2 lobster patty as well.
And Chad said yes.
After we done go eat 2 beef patty, she want 1 more lobster patty. And me say, you know what? Just add 1 extra. The other one is for Drew.
Exactly. No, it's not. It's for you. Why should we deprive ourselves of the good things in life? Special delivery. We got beef patties.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But we got some patties.
We got.
Wait. It's supposed to be 6, and there's 5 in there.
I actually had 1.
Really?
I had 1.
We're supposed to save the taste.
It's 6.
Oh
no,
my
5.
God.
Only 2.
You are wicked.
It was delicious. So I'm gonna put them in the oven. So we did We're gonna do 30 minutes.
Okay, so what you're gonna do now? You're gonna put 30 minutes at what temperature did you use?
350.
350.
30 minutes.
And 30 minutes. As you can see, they're going in there right now. Those patties will be coming out fresh.
Alright.
How long are you? I'll sit there 30 minutes. So guys, we're gonna check back in 30 minutes with you and yeah, see how the patties come out. Guys, we have the patties ready. The patty them there. The patty them there. Guys, look at this one right here. Look at this one right here. Look at this one right here. Comment down below which one you think is a Jamaican patty and which one you think is an American patty. Comment down below right now, guys. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. What do you think? Danny, are you surprised about how the patty came out?
No.
No? They look alike, right?
No.
No, not really, because you can tell the difference.
Yeah, you know the difference.
You know the difference when you look on it, but I don't know if the camera really picks it up and shows you which one looks different. Comment down below. Is it left, right, or middle? Which one is the American patty? Which one is the Jamaican patty? Comment down below right now. Alright, in 3 we're gonna tell you. 1, 2, 3. So this is the Jamaican patty right here, guys.
Guys, you can see the obvious color difference.
Yeah, this is the juicy beef. As you can tell, it's nice and nice and warm, eh?
Guys, so that's the first thing. The patties that they have here are always really orange.
Very orange. You can tell by look at it. Look at this. Orange. Orange.
But this
is
one
nice and yellow.
This one is the closest.
Well, I wouldn't say yellow, it's brown.
It's orange, but it's not as
orange. Like this is dark orange, guys.
Dark orange.
Yeah, dark orange.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
But these look the closest to the Jamaican patty than other patties that
yeah, guys, I have eaten patties that
I don't want to say the name. The worst patty.
The worst patties in history. And it's a name brand company over here that are selling these patties to people, and it's just gonna give you a heartburn. I ain't gonna call her name.
Alright, calm, I'm hungry. Time to eat, finally.
Guys, it's finally time to eat. As you can see, this is the lobster patties right here, guys.
Yeah, we're not really gonna eat these.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put it there as presentation. I don't know why she took it out of the frame, but you can actually look at it. Cause I know you guys hungry, you know. Grab one patty right now, come eat with us. We have the Jamaican patty right here, and we have the American patty right here.
Let me put mine in order.
And just want to let you guys know, while Chasey can't eat patty right now, he will have
his patty, which is his biscuit.
Yeah, that is his special patty. Go ahead and comment down below. Mr. Chasey gets a special patty. Guys, he's already eating. Look. You're supposed to wait till we start eating, Papa. When we say 1, 2, 3, you go.
You don't have time for us.
Just looking at me like crazy. Before we get started, guys, I need you guys go ahead and smash the like button. Go ahead and comment down below. Notification gang, notification squad, notification. Which party is better? If you're from the Caribbean, go ahead and comment down below where you guys are from. And comment down below if you guys have patty over there and how good is the patty.
Yeah.
If you have patty over there, go ahead and comment down below. We are going to dive in.
Which one we eating first?
Comment down below who you think is gonna win, guys. May have a strong feeling. May have a strong feeling that this nice juicy beef patty is going to win, brother.
But guys, you know what my favorite patty is?
Well, she gonna cut me off. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sugar and spice.
Sugar and spice, everything nice. Patty. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, them patty good. I'm not gonna lie. But any Jamaican patty down there when it's nice and fresh.
Sugar and spice with a Danish and an orange fresh.
I really apologize that I don't have no cocoa bread in front of me, guys, because I eat.
You can eat cocoa bread with all of this?
Me eat cocoa bread so by the way, guys. Yes, me eat it by itself and then I'll eat the patty. We're gonna try the Taste Right patty right here, guys.
Guys, this is the best patty in, well, South Florida, because it's so crunchy.
And the flakes, look at the flakes, guys, look at that. That's when you know it's a patty good, you know, when they flake them just nice and crisp. Guys, who in here, comment down below right now, guys. Who in here only eat the meat first and then eat the crust at the end? That's how me eat it. Comment down below. I might be the weirdest person right now, so go ahead and comment down below that right now.
And in this one, I realized patties here always have so much filling and not that much meat. This is a good patty.
Oh God.
You're so exaggerated.
Yo, we're gonna find out which meat is different, like how different the meat is. Cause this one,
It's good.
guys, when you come over here from Jamaica, we need to taste right, guys.
This is the best in Florida.
Me feel like this is going to G.
No.
Me feel.
Anyways, moment of truth. I'm going on. So you guys don't do patty.
Alright, hold on there. Hashtag who you think is gonna win right now. Go ahead and comment down below. I'm telling you, the difference in the weight and everything, this is so much lighter. The taste right patty is
heavy.
very heavy. This is very light, I'm not gonna lie. One bar. We set that back. We set that back.
It's the flavor of the, I don't know, it just have a different flavor.
Oh God, guys, the texture, oh God. I'm in heaven right now. This patty, boom. Daniel,
I'm savoring it.
yo. I'm sorry, it tastes right, my love, no. But boy, I tell you, you're the closest thing to a Jamaican patty, but when you eating this Jamaican patty, you fling with every other patty around it, car. Boy, I tell you,
It's so close to when you just bite right out of the patty place.
all the meat different, guys. I'm tell you, the meat sweet. The meat is sweet. You know, it's not just nice. It actually tastes like ground beef, like ground beef.
That's what I was saying. The patty's here, the meat tastes more like the filling than actual meat.
Yeah, their paste and the texture is way different. You don't, like, you can actually see the meat on this. In this one, the meat is kind of different, guys. It's just a soul mixture, like a little more liquidly. Bombard. New word, liquidly.
I'm not really listening to you because I'm eating this patty.
Guys, I tell you right now, I'm in heaven with this patty. Me not like.
Guys, look on it. This one is flat, and then this one is like really big.
We know which patty Drew I get. You would think the Taste Right patty is more fresh and everything, cause this came out of the box, out of a freezer. But boy, I tell you.
I told you, the magic numbers.
It does it, guys.
350, 30 minutes.
I'm sorry, but if anytime I feel for a patty now, I can't help it. No, I convince people. I convince any Jamaican patty right now, guys. I go meet
There are only three left, so somebody gonna get left.
You touch another patty in that fridge, you see? You touch another patty in that fridge, may I argue?
I had two.
I have to go finish the patty off camera. Oh God, it's so nice.
Mine almost finished.
It's shot, guys. Me not lie to you guys. Me not lie. This is not exaggerating. It's totally different. Like the quality of the patty compared to the other one. And Taste Right, me not gonna lie, Taste Right
tastes good.
is the best patty in South Florida. May I tell you that hands down, it's the best patty, but it not compare to to juicy beef patty right now, guys.
Can you tell that we need some Jamaican food?
Yeah, like no, me feel like we need to go to Jamaica right now and go get more than patty right now.
Juice, and fresh.
A nice, fresh, cool coconut water.
Somebody sent us up some fresh orange juice and a fresh coconut. A fresh coconut with the water in it.
What? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go and try out this experiment. Tell me what you guys think about it.
Go
ahead
and
comment down
patty
below.
in your freezer
Yes.
from your relatives.
Yes. And when they do tell you what you need to bring over Jamaica, tell them to bring 2 boxes of patty to me.
A chicken
Special for
and
me.
a beef.
Go ahead. I'm gonna meet up, come get the patty from you guys. Go ahead and do that right now for me. Just for me, nobody else. If you have any relatives coming up right now, guys, go ahead and tell them, say, yo, Chaddy boy say you want 2 boxes of patty here.
And chicken and beef.
Yeah, chicken and beef. Alright guys, love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We are going to do notification shout out time.
Okay, first notification goes to Tony Simpson.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Tai.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Murder Blood.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification party, notification boom bang bang, and you want a shout out in the next video, go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, comment down below one of those things right now.
Notification party.
Smash the like button, don't forget that. Because in life, if you have too much patties, your life is sweet.
I'm sorry.
Alright. I'm going to go enjoy my patty right now, guys. I'm going to finish all of this right now and may go warm up the rest of it right now. Alright, love you guys. Thank you guys for love and support. We can't say this enough. We will see you another time is another time. Another dollar makes another wine. Peace.